A Jeju Air passenger plane crashed while landing at Jeju International Airport. The plane was a Boeing 737. The flight originated from Seoul. Approximately 150 people were on board. The crash resulted in fatalities, exact number unknown. Witnesses report a sudden, sharp descent before the crash, followed by a massive explosion and flames. Potential causes under investigation include mechanical failure, pilot error, and weather conditions. Emergency responders are on scene battling flames and assessing the situation. Jeju International Airport is currently closed, and all flights are suspended. Thoughts with those affected. Credits: script based on audio sources.